Good morning. Could you tell your name?
Good morning. My name is Jayla Edwards.
Mr. Edwards, my name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am seeing you with several one-class misdemeanor charges, including domestic violence, disorderly conduct, criminal damage, and disorderly conduct. I'm going to release you on this matter with a court date in South Tucson City Court. March 26th at 10 a.m. Releasing you that condition that you have no contact with the alleged victim or return to the incident location. If you need to go back there to obtain your property, you can do so in the company of law enforcement. Thank you.
Thank you.
Edwards.
Could you tell me your name, please?
Sean Gufford.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. I'm seeing you in connection with a warrant on a misdemeanor case for driving under the influence. This is actually very old.
Yeah, I've actually dealt with this case like off and on for like the last 4 years. I don't even know why they keep on issuing a warrant like every time I get released on it too.
I'm going to release you, but you need to go and talk to them so you can take care of that, all right?
Yeah, yes, sir. And question, who would I actually contact about that?
Well, I'm giving you a court date. You can talk to the judge. March 29th, 10:30 a.m. in the County Justice Court, all right?
Sir.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Could you tell me your name, please?
Kristen Holland.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am seeing you in connection with misdemeanor charges, class 1 misdemeanors, domestic violence, disorderly conduct, and assault. I'm going to release you on these matters with a court date in Pima County Justice of the Peace Court of April 9th at 10:30. With condition to commit no acts of domestic violence. You'll get a copy of the paperwork with your court date on it. If you do not appear, a warrant may issue for your arrest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Could I have your name, please?
Jesus Escalante.
Number 3.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I'm seeing you in connection with a warrant out of Pima County JP Court of paraphernalia possession charge, and then new misdemeanor charges out of Tucson City Court of domestic violence, disorderly conduct, and domestic violence assault. I'm going to release you on both of these cases. We have a court date of March 27th at 10 a.m. in Pima County JP Court. We're going to have a separate court date of April 16th at 1:30 p.m. in the Tucson City Court. You'll get paperwork with both of those court dates on it. If you do not appear, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Could you tell me your name, please?
Hey, someone.
Mr. Holman, my name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am seeing you in connection with 2 misdemeanor charges, domestic violence, disorderly conduct, and domestic violence assault. I'm going to release you on these matters with a court date in Green Valley JP Court March 14th at 8:30, releasing you under conditions you commit no acts of domestic violence, have no contact with the alleged victims, or return to the residence. If you need to go back there to obtain your property, you can do so in the company of law enforcement. You'll get a copy of the paperwork with that information on it. If you do not appear, a warrant be issued for your arrest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you tell me your name?
Can you repeat that for me?
Juan Rodriguez first?
Number 7.
This second. We don't have everything in my.
Your Honor, he said Rodriguez West, 1.
Rodriguez, not Rivas.
Okay.
Okay,
That
that makes more sense.
Seven.
Yes, sir. Yes, tell me that, already once. My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I'm presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. I am seeing you in connection with a warrant. Search warrants out of South Tucson City Court. Gonna hold you on a $250 bond with the court date tomorrow at 10 a.m. Appointing an attorney by name of Ariana Price to represent you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you tell me your name, please?
Yes, sir. Walter Arvizu Jr.
Mr. Arvizu, my name is Tom Burning. I am a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. We are seeing you in connection with misdemeanor charges, which include 2 counts of domestic violence and disorderly conduct, which is a class 1 misdemeanor, 1 count of domestic violence criminal damage, class 2 misdemeanor, 1 count of domestic violence trespass, which is a class 3 misdemeanor. We're going to release you on these matters with a court date in Tucson City Court on April 16th at 1:30, releasing you on the condition that you commit no acts of domestic violence, okay? You'll get a copy of the paperwork with the date on it. If you do not appear, a warrant be issued for your arrest.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Understood. Thank you.
Could you tell me your name, please?
I'm Jeffrey Deloach, sir.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. Hold on for a second, sir. I gotta look at some paper.
Yes, sir.
Senior connection of charges of domestic violence, disorderly conduct, 2 counts, and domestic violence, unlawful imprisonment, 1 count. Going to release you on these matters. Court date in Tucson City Court of April 16th at 1:30. Release you on the conditions you commit no acts of domestic violence, no contact with the alleged victim, or return to the residence. If you need to go back there to obtain your property, you can do so in the company of law enforcement. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Be with you in a minute, sir.
I'm sorry, what?
I said I'll be
I'll
with
be
you
with you in a moment.
Oh, okay.
Finishing my paperwork on the last one. Could you tell me your name?
Yeah, Moises Jimenez.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. I am seeing you. No. Hold on for a second. My files got mixed up.
This is,
Who's that?
this is Hernandez. We haven't seen him.
Yeah.
We're on amendments. Number one of what?
I just saw
Deloach.
votes, which I had, that's the paperwork for the wrong person.
Do you need me to reprint it?
Hold on. Let me just go back.
Is this the paperwork for Deloach?
That might have been, let me see. Straighten this out. All right, George is correct. But this is, that's,
Do you want me to reprint that one?
this is the guy just did.
We haven't seen this guy.
Okay. Yeah, can you want to repeat your name for me?
Can you
Can
repeat
you
your name?
repeat your name?
Yeah, Moises Jimenez.
103 or 104.
Sorry
Sorry
about
about
that,
that, sir.
sir.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. I'm seen in connection with one misdemeanor, class 1 misdemeanor charge of domestic violence, disorderly conduct. I'm going to release you on this matter with a court date in Tucson City Court of April 16th at 1:30 p.m. Releasing you on the condition that you commit no acts of domestic violence. We have no contacts with the alleged victim or return to their residence. If you need to go back there for any property, you can do so in the company of law enforcement.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you.
Can you tell me your name, please?
David Johnson. Warren Madrone. People.
Mr.
Mr. Johnson, is that what you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. Seen in connection with new misdemeanor charges of disorderly conduct and criminal damage. Let's get some warrants out of Tucson City Court. I'm gonna hold you on a $725 bond with the court date of March 14th at 1:45, appointing the state's public defender's office to represent you. Thank you.
Your Honor, can you repeat the amount of the bond?
725.
Thank you, Your Honor. You see, 8.
Could you tell me your name, please?
Alexander Lee Sotomayor.
What's that date?
107.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. I am seen in connection with misdemeanor charges, domestic violence, disorderly conduct, and domestic violence assault, both class 1 misdemeanors. Going to release you on this matter. The court date in Tucson City Court of April 18th at 9:30 a.m. Releasing you on the conditions that you commit no acts of domestic violence, have no contact with the alleged victim, or return to the residence. If you need to go back there to obtain property, you can do so in the company of law enforcement. Thank you.
Thank you.
I gotta calm back down, it's scary. Thank you, you're doing a great job.
What's today, Dave?
You're really starting to do your job. I've seen it. Yeah, do it.
0310.
Talk to the judge.
George? Smith?
All right, well,
Could you tell us your name, please?
Mary A. Reed.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. I am seen in connection with 4 misdemeanor charges of disorderly conduct and 1 of assault. I'm going to release you on these matters with the court date in Tucson City Court of April 15th at 9:30. Release you in the condition that you have no contact with the alleged victims. You'll get a copy of the paperwork with the information on it.
Share my this person that he's talking about is a criminal, and I'm trying to sue him for human trafficking. I'm a human traffic. Sir, with all due respect, the person that I'm trying to put behind bars is the person in question. He's a human trafficker, and I'm trying to put him behind bars. So with that being said, if you could please consider that we are trying to do our due diligence to make sure that we have all of the facts so that I don't put the wrong people behind bars while I'm trying to do undercover peace corps work for helping training officers so that we can make our streets a safer place again. I'm trying to aim for world peace, sir. I've never hurt anybody in my entire life. In fact, I've made billions of dollars invested every single, my money, my
You get
time.
a copy of the paperwork with the court date on. You can tell the judge. Thank you.
You're the judge, sir. You're a judge.
If you're going to have another judge.
Have a great day.
You too. I put them as possible. Although we could go to.
You want me to just go ahead
Yeah.
and change it?
She should be evicted promptly from her. This is not going well, sure.
Because she was our over.
Could you tell me your name, please? Could not hear that. Can you repeat it?
Repítelo, tu nombre.
Muñoz Hernández José Malaquías.
My name is Núñez Hernández José Malaquías.
Wanna wait.
One week.
Buenos días, señor. Le habla la intérprete.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate.
Mi nombre es Tom Burning. Soy un juez del Tribunal Municipal.
I am seeing you in connection with misdemeanor charges of domestic violence, assault, and domestic violence disorderly conduct.
Y usted está aquí, señor, para ventilar cargos que se le están presentando por conducta desordenada y agresión, y los dos con el alegato de violencia intrafamiliar.
I am going to release you on your promise to appear in Tucson City Court on April 16th at 1:30 p.m.
Y le voy a dejar salir libre con la condición de que usted comparezca a su próxima audiencia en el Tribunal Municipal el día 16 de abril a la 1:30 de la tarde.
I am releasing you on the conditions that you commit no acts of domestic violence.
Y también lo voy a dejar salir libre, pero bajo la condición de que no cometa usted ningún otro acto de violencia intrafamiliar,
You have no contact with the alleged victims.
de que no tenga contacto con las supuestas víctimas,
Do not return to the residence.
no puede regresar usted a donde las supuestas víctimas viven.
If you need to go back there to obtain your property, you can do so in the company of law enforcement.
Si necesita usted volver a esa propiedad, lo puede hacer una sola vez acompañado de un policía.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
How about if you redo this one for me? Could you tell me your name, please?
That's Alberto Rivas.
Mr. Rivas, my name is Tom Burning. I am a Tucson City Court Magistrate. Next to you is a representative of the Public Defender's Office. On the screen, we also have a representative of the County Attorney's Office. We are seeing you in connection with one class 4 felony charge of failure to register. Pretrial recommends that you not be released on your promise to appear. If you are released, you report to the ID unit within 2 working days following your release from custody. County Attorney's Office recommends that in lieu of holding without bond, that you be held a $20,000 bond. Added conditions: no firearms and no alcohol. Counsel.
Judge, it does appear he's pending a case for the same offense. He's got a competency hearing scheduled.
We're going to hold the defendant on $10,000 bond with court date of March 20th at 1:30. No alcohol, illegal drugs, no firearms or other weapons, if released to supervision of pretrial, appointing the public defender's office and report to the ID unit.
What's that
Thank
court,
you.
Judge? What's the court date?
Ooh, March 20th, I believe.
Okay. $10,000 bond. Who's your lawyer? They should have now.
I don't know, I forgot her name, but I already posted out the bill. I was posting for $5,000 bond.
Okay, we'll get the same lawyer, okay?
Nothing's happening. Does it appear that way to you?
It appears.
Not just me.
Okay, last time. We could just leave and go get breakfast.
I can flown off in the nose sometimes, so I have to,
I'll call you back.
like, you know,
Pay attention.
the ground occasionally. Put myself in time and space. Oh, good morning, sir. Could you please tell me your name?
Muy buenos días, señor. Le habla la intérprete. El juez ha preguntado su nombre. Está, you guys are muted. If you could please unmute. Help him unmute. Thank you. Señor, muy buenos días. Le habla la intérprete. El juez ha preguntado su nombre.
Daniel Alejandro Medina.
My name is Franiel Alejandro Medina.
Daniel Alejandro.
My name is Tom Burning. I'm the Tucson City Court Magistrate, and I am presiding over this initial appearance.
Señor, yo soy el juez Tom Burning. Soy un juez con el Tribunal Municipal y el día de hoy soy el juez que va a ventilar su caso en esta comparecencia inicial.
Next to you is a representative of the Public Defender's Office.
Enseguida de usted está una abogada. Ella trabaja en la Defensoría Pública.
On the screen is a representative of the County Attorney's Office.
Y en la línea, también por video, está compareciendo la fiscal.
We are seeing you in connection with a variety of felony charges.
Y usted está aquí porque tiene varios cargos que se le están presentando de delito
Include
mayor.
one class 4 felony charge of criminal damage,
Uno que es clasificación número 4, delito grave, daños a la propiedad.
one class 6 felony charge of aggravated driving under the influence,
Y un cargo de delito grave, clasificación número 6, manejar bajo la influencia con agravantes.
five class 6 felony charges of endangerment,
6 cargos de delito grave, clasificación número 6, a poner en riesgo a otras personas.
2 counts of child abuse,
2 cargos de delito, 2 cargos por
pretrial services recommends that you not be released on your promise to appear.
y 2 cargos por abuso a un menor. Y servicios preprocesales está recomendando que no lo dejemos salir bajo sus servicios.
And if you are released, you have no contact with the alleged victims.
Y si por alguna razón usted saliera libre, usted no puede tener ningún contacto con las supuestas víctimas.
That you consume no alcohol,
También no puede consumir ningún tipo de alcohol.
that you do not drive with a valid driver's license.
No puede conducir sin una licencia válida para conducir.
County Attorney's Office recommends that you be held a $15,000 bond and pretrial supervision if released.
La fiscalía está recomendando una fianza de $15,000 y si usted saliera después de pagar esa fianza, entonces que esté bajo la supervisión de servicios preprocesales.
Adding the condition that you also possess no firearms.
También con la condición de que no tenga usted en su posesión ningún arma de fuego.
Counsel,
Judge, there's an ice hole, so, we ask that you set a bond here.
La señorita abogada enseguida de usted ha dicho que usted tiene un retenimiento de inmigración, así es que ellos están recomendando una fianza.
I'm going to set a bond of $10,000.
La fianza será por $10,000.
Court date of March 20th at 1:30 p.m.
Su próxima audiencia, 1:30, Your Honor.
Yes.
Su próxima audiencia será el día 20 de marzo a la 1:30 de la tarde.
Appointing the Public Defender's Office.
Le voy a asignar un abogado de la Defensoría Pública para que lo represente.
Condition of no alcohol or illegal drugs.
Además, usted no puede poseer o tomar ningún tipo de alcohol o drogas ilícitas.
No firearms or other weapons.
No puede poseer arma de fuego o armas.
Monitoring and counseling is deemed appropriate by pretrial services.
Servicios Procesales va a decirle a usted qué tipo de evaluación y tratamiento necesita usted seguir.
No contact with the victims.
No puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con las víctimas.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias, señor. Eso es todo.
Okay. Could you tell your name, please?
Muy buenos días, señor. Habla el intérprete. El juez ha preguntado su nombre.
Cayetano Padilla García.
My name is Cayetano García Padilla. No, sorry, Your Honor. Cayetano Padilla García.
My name is Tom Burning, the Tucson Pima magistrate.
Yo soy el juez Tom Burning. Soy un juez con el Tribunal Municipal.
Next to you is a representative of our Public Defender's Office.
Enseguida de usted está una abogada que viene representando a la Defensoría Pública.
On the screen is a representative of our county attorney.
En la pantalla está también una representante de la Fiscalía.
We are seeing you in connection with a felony or I think a probation violation warrant out of the state of Texas, Dallas County.
Está usted aquí, señor, porque usted quebrantó la libertad probatoria bajo un delito grave y tiene una orden de arresto emitida de Texas, del condado de Dallas.
County Attorney's Office recommends that pursuant to ARS 133856,
La Fiscalía está recomendando que de acuerdo al estatuto revisado de Arizona 13-385-6,
that you be held without bond.
que usted quede detenido sin fianza.
Counsel.
Judge, he's on probation, I believe, so I think he's supposed to be held without bond.
La abogada ha dicho que parece que usted está bajo libertad probatoria, entonces tiene que quedar detenido sin fianza.
I need a sooner, let's see. Let me get the date right here. I'm gonna hold the defendant without bond. With the court date of March 14th at 2:30 p.m.
Señor, entonces usted va a quedar detenido sin fianza, sin goce de fianza y tendrá su próxima audiencia el día 14 de marzo a las 2:30 de la tarde.
Appointing the legal defender's office to represent him.
Le voy a asignar un abogado de la Defensoría Legal para que lo represente.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias. Eso sería todo. Your Honor.
That could be, is that it?
Your Honor, there's no more Spanish interpreters. May the interpreter be excused?
You may be, and if anything turns up, we'll get in touch with you, and I really appreciate your assistance.
Thank you, Judge. Good day.
Sir, could you tell us your name?
Frank Allen Rodriguez.
Mr. Alan Rodriguez, my name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson Court magistrate. I am presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. Next to you is a representative of the county, of the Public Defender's Office. On the screen is a representative of the county attorney's office. We are seeking connection with felony charges, unlawful flight from a law enforcement vehicle, class 5 felony, endangerment class 6 felony, and 2 misdemeanor charges, driving under the influence and reckless driving. Pretrial recommends that you be released under the promise to appear with the conditions that you have no contact with any alleged victims, do not drive without a valid license, do not consume any alcohol. County Attorney's Office recommends that you be released in supervision of pretrial. I'm going to release you to supervision of pretrial services with the court date of April 1st at 1:30. Don't drive without a valid license, no alcohol, illegal drugs, monitoring counseling as pretrial deemed appropriate, appointing the public defender's office to represent you. Thank you.
What?
Oh, my license is suspended.
So that down takes.
It's right. I just broke it.
Could you tell me your name, please?
Mr.
Cervantes, my name is Tom Burning, I'm the Tucson City Court Magistrate, presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. Next to you is a representative of the Defender's Office. On the screen is representative of the County Attorney's Office. We are seeing you in connection with the new felony charges of dangerous drug and narcotic drug possession, class 4 felonies, paraphernalia possession, class 6 felony, and a warrant of the Superior Court on a facilitation of shoplifting, class 4 felony. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 warrants out of Tucson City Court for a variety of charges like trespass, theft, shoplifting. Pretrial recommends that you not be released on your promise to appear. If you are released, no contact with the alleged victims or returned to incident locations. County Attorney's Office recommends that on the warrant charged as Superior Court to be held a $2,000 bond, and on the other cases, a $100 bond plus PTS supervision. I think it's a council.
Judge, you're gonna hold them on the, arraignment case, and you asked for a small bond and the, new charge, which is smart court eligible.
So let's go with the new charge. I will in fact do the $100 bond with the court date of March 20th at 1:30. Appointing the public defender's office, no alcohol, illegal drugs, monitoring counseling for a pre-trial with a smart court hearing, March 19th at 9 a.m. on the warrant. We'll hold him on $2,000 bond. Court date of March 18th at 1:30. Public Defender's Office, no return to the incident location, no. If he is released, the supervision of pretrial with monitoring counsel may deem appropriate, no alcohol, illegal drugs. In his Tucson City Court matters. And holding him on a separate $250 bond with the court date of March 18th at 1:45, appointing the city's public defender's office. Thank you.
Walter. Yes.
Can you tell me your name, please?
Trevor Daniel Coulter.
My name is Tom Burning, Tucson City Court Magistrate, presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. I am seeing you, or we are, next to you is the representative of the Public Defender's Office. In the screen is a representative of the County Attorney's Office. Seeing you in connection with, new felony charges of burglary in the first degree, class 2 felony, 2 counts of burglary in the second degree, class 3 felonies, misconduct involving weapons, class 4 felony, theft, class 6 felony. Pretrial recommends that you be released under supervision and participate in an enhanced supervision program, no contact, when victims are returning once the locations and contact your parole officer, first working day following release from custody. County Attorney's Office recommends that you be held on $20,000 bond and pretrial supervision if released, adding conditions that no firearms. The release to the supervision of pretrial, the court date of April 1st at 1:30, appointing the public defender's office. No alcohol, illegal drugs, no firearms or other weapons, no return to incident location, no contact with victims. Contact your parole officer first working day following the release from custody. Thank you.
What's the court date?
April 1st.
April 1st?
You release me?
Yeah, but if you get parole, you might get him paroled. So, you'll find out
Thank you.
if you do.
Tell your name, please.
Corey Cummings.
Mr. Cummings, my name is Tom Burning. I'm a Tucson City Court Magistrate. Next to is a representative of the Public Defender's Office. Background, or no, screens represent the County Attorney's Office. We are seeing in connection with felony charges of aggravated DUI, class 4 felony, criminal damage, class 5 felony. Pretrial recommends that you be released on your promise to appear with conditions, no contact with the alleged victim, don't drive without license, and no alcohol. County Attorney's Office recommends that you be released the supervision of pretrial. I'm going to release you the supervision of pretrial services. The court date of April 1st at 1:30, appointing the Public Defender's Office. Whatever monitoring, counseling, pretrial deems appropriate, no alcohol or illegal drugs, and do not drive without a valid license. Thank you.
You'll talk to someone before you leave.
Could you tell us your name, please?
Richard John Glenn.
Mr. Glenn, my name is Tom Burning. I am a Tucson City Court Magistrate. Next to is a representative of the Public Defender's Office. On the screen, and a representative of the County Attorney's Office. We are seeing you in connection with one class 4 felony charge of burglary. Pretrial has recommended that you be released under supervision. The conditions, no contact with the alleged victim, are returned to the incident location. County Attorney's Office concurs, wanting me to add additional conditions of no alcohol or other illegal substances and no firearms. I am going to release you to supervision of pretrial with the court date of April 1st at 1:30 p.m., appointing the Public Defender's Office. No alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or other weapons, monitoring, counseling if pretrial deems appropriate. No return to incident location, no contact with the alleged victim. If I didn't say so, appointing the Public Defender's Office. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you tell me your name, please?
Ashley Karashi?
My name is Tom Byrne. I'm a Tucson City Court magistrate. I'm presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. Next to you is a representative of the Public Defender's Office. On the screen is a representative of the County Attorney's Office. We are seeing you in connection with felony charge, dangerous drug possession and paraphernalia possession. A little earlier this morning, the County Attorney's Office dismissed that charge. That dismissal is called without prejudice, meaning that it's subject to being filed. But for the time being, it is dismissed and you'll be released on that matter. Let's see what else we got here. And you got a warrant out of Glendale City Court on a shoplifting charge. Going to release you on that with a court date of March 25th at 1 p.m. Thank you.
What? We have a break.
General warrant, you released a loan, they released a loan. Thank you.
Okay,
All right, you're good.
thank you.
Could you tell me your name, please?
Luis Javier Valenzuela.
Mr. Valenzuela, my name is Tom Byrne. I'm a Tucson City Court magistrate. I am presiding over this initial appearance proceeding. Next to you is a representative of the Public Defender's Office, and the background is representing the County Attorney's Office. We are seeing you in connection with one new felony charge of aggravated domestic violence. Pretrial recommends that you not be released on your promise to appear if you are released. And no acts of domestic violence. No contact with the alleged victim or return incident location. Contact your probation officer first workday following release from custody. County Attorney's Office recommends a $30,000 bond plus pretrial supervision. What's called immediate. No contact and no firearms or other weapons and no alcohol. Counsel.
Judge, it appears that, he does not live with the alleged victim and, he states he is employed.
Does he have a probation hold? Is that right?
Does he have a probation hold yet? Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. Probation.
3 laps.
Right.
Oh, there's stuff there.
Going to hold the defendant a $25,000 bond with a court date of March 20th at 1:30. Appointing the Public Defender's Office, immediate no contact, no return, no firearms or other weapons, and no acts of domestic violence. Thank you. And I think that Ms. Turner was a declination.
You continue her tonight?
We will continue here tonight, so one of your colleagues can have the benefit of your already considerable expertise on this matter. or whatever.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You guys
You guys do.
Thank you, Judge.